Welcome back to Trades and Trends. I am your host, Kyle. As you may have noticed, markets are continuing to trend and puncture through into all-time highs. We're just kind of drifting on upward with no real pullback taking place since the federal interest rate decision came out last Wednesday. And quite frankly, I think we're just going to continue this drift up until we start to get more data that potentially suggests that the market and the larger economy is maybe not quite in controlled descent as what the Fed has alluded to. So as long as they continue to maintain this posture that they have control and that this is headed towards that graceful landing that they've been looking for this whole time, then I see no reason as to why we cannot just continue on upward. Now, additionally, what I'm seeing is a little bit of a refueling of interest in the AI space. And because of that, most notably, of course, NVIDIA is starting to make a turn back upwards. I'm seeing talk about how big blue chip companies are continuing to invest hand over fist in AI and AI computing hardware. I'm seeing massive orders for NVIDIA's compute units, upwards in the tens of billions of dollars for these upcoming quarters. So I believe that at least for the moment still the demand is still there, and while it maybe seemed to cool down a little bit over the last couple of months, it's reigniting apparently. So I don't think this whole AI craze is over, and there could potentially be another kind of AI fueled push into new all-time highs for NVIDIA. And then as well with that, the companies that have been following NVIDIA, they're all going to get a rise out of it too. So we could see another pretty strong move in the tech sector here. Certainly not being pulled by Apple at the moment. Apple's iPhone 16 sales seem to be a little bit lackluster, not quite picking up and carrying as much weight as what was originally expected for their new released iPhone. And I think that's in part largely because of somewhat of a disappointing launch. It didn't quite seem to have all the features that I think people were hoping it would have. I think people were at this point hoping that the latest iPhone would just about solve all their problems and have a super advanced version of Siri and be able to do everything under the sun. And as you may have noticed, it did not ship with that. Market news-wise, nothing particularly crazy has been going on over the last couple days, the last week and a half or so. Not too much that I've been wanting to report on, as well as I've just had some other things, and I've been busy in other areas of my life lately, so I haven't been able to post as often, but I am seeking to continue posting almost daily here in the upcoming future. So regarding the market though, I'm kind of just waiting for this this swing to the upside to kind of become a little bit more volatile again. There's not a lot of economic data coming out in the immediate future, so just kind of standing by until we can get more and more numbers to work with and then base some more decisions off there. But as it stands right now, I'm still staying bullish and long and strong, and markets are continuing to just trickle on upwards. So thank you all so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. Your support means so much to me. I will see you all very soon.